Hi everyone, welcome. In this tutorial we will be doing another project, and here we will use more than one LEDs, and that will represent ambulance lights. As you know, these lights always blinks, just to take attention that something emergent and going around, and just giving also signal to other guys that has to give away them because something is emergent. Right now we will also do these things using LED lights on Arduino. Let's go. Firstly, I'm gonna get the Uno because that's our mini computer. Okay, that's what we need to control the LEDs through the programs. We will need breadboard. And we need LEDs. We need blue and red LEDs. I'll directly pin them here. And we need resistors. Make sure they are 220 ohms. And we need to make a connection between the minus of the breadboard and our grounds. And also each of them will go to one pin number. Let's say one of them goes to 11 and another one goes to directly to 9. So as you see, I have finished my circuit. Now let's go quickly coding. You go to text coding, right? Here on the top I will introduce my LEDs. Example, LED 1 is red. Okay, I say this LED 1 is connected to number 11. That's why I'll say 11. And another variable is LED 2. So you can name it how you wish. It's up to you. You can call this red or blue. You can call this also in another language. That's up to you. I'd like to use LED 1 and LED 2. I know also LED 1 stands for red, and while LED 2 stands for blue. And the LED blue is connected to number 9. That's why this equation goes to 9. And by the way, the equivalence, the things that what I write after the equal is the pin number on the breadboard. I mean Arduino. LED 1 is in 11 and LED 2 is in 9. And now I'm gonna write here instead of LED built-in, I will write LED 1. Okay, because this function area that is used to declare your components, and you declare here what type of component you use, input or output. LEDs are all output devices because they only just send signals. They can't take any values. You can't input anything to them. That's why the functionality of them goes like output. I declared the two LEDs as output. Okay, now we go to loop, and the loop just repeats the codes over and over. And that's what we want because the ambulance lights also repeats the same action. First it shows the red and blue, and we also do the same thing. Instead of LED built-in, I would say LED 1 because this one for the red. It will turn on this for 0.3 seconds, and then it will turn it off. As it turns it off, I need to turn on another LED. So digital right, that's gonna be LED 2, okay, comma high, okay, and semicolon, and that's gonna stay for also 300 milliseconds. I can do this here. and we will also turn it off. By the way, this part should be LED 1, because we turn on LED 1 for 3 milliseconds, 0.3 seconds, and we turn it off. And after we turn it off, we directly turn the LED 2 on. The blue LED turns on for 0.3 seconds, and we have to turn it off. That's gonna be 2. Okay, so let's quickly see what happened. After we run the simulation, you will see and how it goes. Here we go, we have finished this. As you see, while the red is on, the blue off, and while the red off, blue on, and it just continuously happening, and you see the amazing lighting. Alright, now we can also practice same thing using the real Arduino. I will just copy this and go to the Arduino software, and I'm gonna paste all the codes right here, and later on we will quickly build the circuit by using real components. As you see, I have 2 LEDs, blue and red, and I need 2 resistors, okay, and also the cables that we need. So let's quickly start making this. After we settle all the LEDs, resistors, cablings, and now it's time to send the code into our Arduino. We just press this upload, and you make sure you save it. And also make sure you choose the correct breadboard. As you see, it perfectly blinks. The red and blue, it just changes it quickly. If you want, we can quickly also change the numbers. If you want to do this really fast, let's write this 100 instead of 300. So 0.1 second it will on, and then off, and as it offs, it's going to turn on the blue one for 0.1 second, and that will be repeated inside the loop function on and on. Let's send these codes one more time. So there is an amazing speed between these LEDs, okay. So I hope you will do also the same things in your place. All the best for you. We see each other in another tutorial. Bye bye.